Embark Investing app pricing explained what you get for your money. Embark Investing is designed to simplify investing for beginners while offering sophisticated tools for seasoned investors. Many assume investing apps come with hidden fees, but Embark keeps its pricing simple. The app is free to download, and the standard account has zero trading fees for us listed its. For advanced features like personalized portfolio management, priority support, and tax optimization tools, the premium subscription costs per month or annually. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees. Most people get this wrong by thinking low-cost platforms compromise on strategy. The surprising truth is that Embark combines automated guidance with human-reviewed portfolios. For instance, if you invest zero, the app recommends a diversified allocation based on your risk tolerance and automatically rebalances to stay aligned with your goals. In conclusion, Embark Investing delivers value through low fees and automated guidance, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced investors seeking smart, affordable solutions.